How to sign up on Avant.com for a personal loan. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website Avant.com. Once the homepage loads, you will see a loans button. Click on it, then click on check your loan options. Next, you will be asked to provide some personal information. Fill in your basic details such as full name, address, email address, phone number, social security number, annual income, employment information, and more to help them determine your eligibility. Below that, you will see the option for loan amount. Enter your desired loan amount, then click the button that says Agree and check your loan options. Make sure all the information is accurate, as this will affect your chances of approval. Once you have entered everything, Avant will run a soft credit check that won't impact your credit score. Based on the results, they will show you the loan offers you qualify for. You can review the loan terms, including interest rate and repayment periods. If you are satisfied with the offer, you can continue to complete the application and finalize your account. Once approved, the funds are usually deposited into your bank account within 1 to 2 business days. Now you know how to sign up on Avant.com for a personal loan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.